Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have an Urban Gems package to share today. OMG, let's get into this because look at all these awesome stickers, guys. This is Nurse Tara's shop and look at what she put. I love this. Look at this camera. This little puppy. This one says, "You are magic. You're a gem." All these awesome hearts. I love hearts. Hey girl, hey. You make me so happy. So let's get into this awesome haul. Oh, look at her. Her die. I have to get this die from her. I really do because it is so cute. Let me see if I can get it open. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, can we get it open? Ooh, la 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 la. Okay. Oh, look, I could save her die. Oh, this is so cool. Yes, I got it. Look at that, guys. Look at that die. That's awesome. That's pretty cool that it made it through the mail. Like that. Okay. Let me see. Can we open sesame? Okay, it's not. I'm gonna cut it. So make sure I don't cut anything. Push everything down to the bottom and cut the top. Oh my gosh. I hope I don't cut anything. Well, we cut this. Oh, it's all safe. There it is. Oh my gosh. That's what I was waiting for. Oh, I guess they didn't make it in the bag, but that's okay. This is the glow in the dark Nouveau drops, guys. I got the banana split Nouveau drops. I'm gonna add it to my caddy. And here is the, ooh, this one was a little open. It's okay. It didn't spill, so that's good. This one is the Blue Crush. Look at this gorgeous color. Oh my gosh, I love this. Reminds me of the ocean. And then here's these two beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look, and the gems are black. So now you know that they are glow in the dark because they got the black gems on there. So this one is Shocking Pink. And this one is Apple Sour. I was actually waiting, hoping it would come this weekend because I was, you know, I don't usually do a good job at keeping track. But this would be so cool on my little food truck that we just made on Friday. So I think those are gonna be amazing. Oops, there's our card, guys. Look at how awesome this packaging is. She's got everything all bagged up. We are working, poor Miss Tara. I'm sure she doesn't mind. But look. Oh my God. So cute. You are awesome. 10 cents. Oh, she used the stickles on this card. Look at that. I love it, Tara. Thank you so much. And yes, guys, here is her info. It is Tara, and then you have Urban Gems by Tara at Gmail. That's her email. But the best way to contact her, I think, for me is IG, Urban Gems, or Nurse Tara on YouTube. And then you have her storefront, her online store. It's urbangems.com. So cute. Oh, thank you, Tara. Okay, and it says, "Hi Eileen, thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new dies, cardstock, and Nouveau drops. Happy crafting, my friend. Big hugs, Tara." We love you, girl. Thank you so much. This is so pretty, and I love that she knows my color, purple. I think it's her favorite color too, guys, by the way, FYI. But this is gorgeous. Thank you, Tara. Thank you. And then here's my, oh, I did get it. Did I get it? Let's see, guys. Let's see, because I totally forget what I get, what I order from her all the time. I love that she puts them in baggies too. Ooh, Disney in September. I'm so ready now. We got the colored Disney heads. These are sprinklets. Mouse ears is what they call them. So that's what they look like. Isn't that awesome? We have red, yellow, white, and black. And then these are from Buttons Galore, and she gets them in her shop, guys. I don't know if she's out, but I got mine. I had to get mine. And then she also has these. These are sparklets. Let me get push it down a little bit. And she's got some dewdrops and some little stars. She doesn't make these, guys, by the way, because I'm making it sound like she makes these. But these are what she carries in her shop. These are sparklets, also from Buttons Galore. And she's got, well, here we go, stars, Mickey ears, and some yellow, but there's also some seed beads in there. Some nice blue seed beads. That's gonna be so cute. I love this. I love this dye. Okay, so we've got those two. And then we picked up the Say Cheese. This is the Halloween. I can't wait to stamp these and color them up. And then also you can stamp them on your Shrink-a-Dinks, which is what we're going to do, so we can get these down to a workable size. And then, or not a workable size, but a charm size. Although they're really small. We'll see. Look at this little witch hat with the bow. I love it, love it. No tricks, all treats. Hey, pumpkin. Oh, there's the candy apple. Okay, so Miss Dee Dee just shared some candy apple clay. What do you call those? Like charms? Are they charms? But anyways, she just shared them with Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures, and Dee Dee is just make something on IG. Gorgeous, gorgeous candied apples, guys. You got to go check out Christian's video because they're adorable. And then I did pick up this die because I love these little hands. She uses these dies on her packages, guys. Gorgeous. And you can interchange all these little pieces with any shape. I mean, you could put a face on this heart or the rainbow, any of them. Super, super cute. And I think Poochie also shared this die. I think she did, but I love it. Look at that. Got some shades. There's the circle for the face. I can't wait. This is the popsicle or the ice cream melt coffee cup. There's the rainbow, and I'm loving this little bow. Oh my gosh. There's the leaves for the lemon. Teeny, teeny, tiny heart. I can't wait. Here are the face pieces. Can't wait. So I'm excited to get cutting and ready for Disney in September. You guys, Disney in September. Anyways, I'm not gonna waste time putting that back in. So also, ooh, what is this? Oh, this is my freebie. Oh my gosh. What is this one? Dream Big. Oh my gosh, that's what that is. This is a Dream Big X-Cut lifetime guarantee. These are dies, and they come with little tiny flowers. And this word is dream, this word is big. Ooh, thank you, Tara. That is gonna be so awesome for Disney in September, because what does Disney love to do? They love to say dream. That is a very popular word with Disney. Dream. If you don't know, now you know. Anyways, oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so Nurse Tara put these in her shop. These are the Tonic Studio what are they called? Mirror cards. So these are the colors that I got, and I got one of every color that she carries in her shop, guys. I don't know how long she's gonna have it because things go fast in her shop. They don't last long. So these are hollow waves. It's basically a silver hollow. Sorry for the glare, but I love, love, love. Here is a holly green, which is gonna be so cute for Christmas. I'm so excited. And you get 5 sheets in each pack. So that is so awesome, guys. Oh my God. This is polished gold. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. See me? See me? Now you see me, now you don't. Now you see me, now you don't. And here is honey gold. So look at the color difference, guys. Oh, well, that was really reflective. Anyway, there it is. You can see the 2 different golds that she carries in her shop. 5 sheets of these. Here is the silver. Hi. And then here is rose platinum. That is beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. And midnight plum. I should have grabbed 2 of these. I don't know what I was thinking, but I should have grabbed 2. And that is my amazing haul. I was really, really waiting for these guys right here. These are the bad boys, the Mamma Jammas that are going to be working for my Pasteloween. Whoop, whoop. So guys, go check out Nurse Tara. She is Urban Jems on Instagram, and urbangems.com is her shop. Let her know you saw her goodies. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Bye-bye.